differentiation using logarithm. At first, we'll remember the formulae of logarithm. First one, number 1, log of a to the power n base b is equal to n times log of a base b. Second, log of a by b is equal to log a minus log b, and number 3 is log of ab is equal to log of a plus log of b. At first, remember these three formulae. Number 1. Now we'll solve some problems of NCERT book. Exercise 5.5. Number 1. Y is equal to cos x into cos twice x into cos thrice x. Now there are three functions. We know the formula of derivative of product of two functions. Now it is three functions. So what we do, we take log. Taking log on both sides, we get, this is log y, log of cos x into cos twice x into cos thrice x. Now product of three function, so we can use the formula of logarithm. Log of a into b into c is equals to log y equals to log of cos x plus log of cos twice x plus log of cos thrice x. Now this is a function of y, function of x, function of x, function of x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get, for log y, derivative is 1 by y, but it is y, not x. We must write dy by dx. Whenever we differentiate another variable with respect to other variable, we must mention the derivative. Now log cos x, for log cos x, now we will apply the composite function method. This is log cos x. Logarithm is the first function and cos x is second function. So for first function, derivative is 1 by cos x, and for cos x, derivative is minus sin x. Again, log cos x. For cos x, derivative, for log x it is cos twice x, and for cos x it is minus sin twice x, but it is not over. Here there are three functions: log function, cos function, then it is twice x. So now if you differentiate twice x, it will be 2 into 1. And last, this is again log function. For log it is cos thrice x. Again there are three functions. This is cos 3x minus sine thrice x, but it is 3 into x. Differentiate this, 3 into sine thrice x. So your answer is 1 by y dy by dx sin by cos 10, sin by cos 10, sin by cos 10. Minus minus common. This is 10x 2 10 twice x 3 10 thrice x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus y. What is it? Y? Y is equal to cos x. Y gets multiplied. So if I put y is equal to cos x into cos twice x into cos thrice x multiplied to 10x plus 2 10x 10 twice x plus 3 10 thrice x. This is your required derivative. Now number 3. Number 3, you are given y is equal to log of x to the power cos x. This is called f of x to the power gx form. When you are given a function to the power another function, we apply logarithm. Or if you are given product of or division of multiple functions, we use logarithm. At first question, there are product of three different functions, so we used logarithm. Now here there are two functions, one is raised as a power of other, so we'll use logarithm again. If you take log on both sides, this is log of y. Here the base is e. This is called natural logarithm. When the base is kept is equal to e, we call it natural logarithm. When the base is equal to 10, it is called common logarithm. Now take log on both sides, log of y. This is log of x to the power cos x. This is log y cos x multiplied to log of log x. As I said, number first formula, log of a to the power n, the power gets multiplied before the logarithm function. Now if you differentiate respect to x, so for log y the derivative is 1 by y, and for y it is dy by dx. Again, whenever you differentiate a second variable with respect to the independent variable, we have to mention the derivative. Now this is product of two functions, first function and second function. So u into v, you can apply u multiplied cos x into derivative of log of log x plus log of log x derivative of cos of x. Cos x. Now you can apply composite function method. Now there are two functions. Initially it is log of x, then again log x. If you assume this as x, for log x derivative is 1 by x. Here your x is log x. Now if I go inside, for log x derivative is 1 by x plus log of log x multiplied. For cos x derivative is minus sin x. So hence your answer will be dy by dx is equal to y gets multiplied. So y into, what is the y? Y is equal to log of x raised power as cos x. Then cos x divided by log of x into x plus or minus sin x into log of log x. This is your derivative of third question. Number 3. Y is equal to square root of, this is an important question, x minus 1 x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 x minus 4 x minus 5. This is product, this is division. Now there are more than two functions, so we'll take logarithm. If you take log y, this is log of, see, this is x minus 1 x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 x minus 4 x minus 5 to the power half. This is half, this is power. Now the power is half. We know when you take logarithm, the power gets multiplied before the logarithmic function. Half into log of x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 x minus 4 x minus 5. This is log y, half multiplied. In logarithm, when it is product, we write log of AB is equal to log A plus log B. But here it is division. We'll write minus of log x minus 3 minus of log x minus 4 and minus of log x minus 5. Now we got a linear function. If you differentiate respect to x, you'll get, for log y it is 1 by y and for y it is dy by dx. Is dy by dx. Half is a multiplication constant. Log of x minus 1, for log of x derivative is 1 by x. Now if you go inside, for x derivative is 1 and for 1 it is 0. Again for log of x minus 2, for 1 by x minus 2 and for x it is 1. Again 1 by x minus 3 for x 1, 1 by x minus 4 for x it is 1, 1 by x minus 5 for it is 1. You will differentiate log x as 1 by x, then you go inside for the linear function x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 x minus 4 and x minus 5, their derivative is 1. That's why your answer will be dy by dx is equal to, this y gets multiplied, 1 by 2 into y is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 x minus 4 into x minus 5. If you have spare time, you can take the LCM and calculate the value, but I will keep it up to this. One by x minus 4 and last 1 by x minus 5. Thank you. I will get back to you soon with other problems.